If your car is out of warranty, the next call you need to make is to CarShield. Car repair bills have gone up significantly in the past few years and show no signs of stopping. With CarShield, you pay a low monthly fee that fits your budget. So the next time you're here for a covered repair, let CarShield help with the bill.
Not only can you save big money on repairs, but you'll get a price lock guarantee. Your price will never go up for as long as you cover your car. Plus, 24/7 roadside assistance, courtesy towing, and rental car options. All you have to do is call now and get your free quote.
With CarShield, you have that peace of mind. You're not going to be stuck for a huge thousands of dollars bill.
Because cars are so expensive today, I am so glad that I have CarShield.
If you want to save time and save money, you need CarShield now. Call today to get your free quote.
CarShield has saved drivers more than $1 billion in car repairs. Call and get your free quote. Call 800-884-0988. 800-884-0988. 800-884-0988.